Back in 2020, I thought Excel was just about sums and basic charts. But look at where we are now. The world of spreadsheets has changed and it's not even close to where it's heading. In this video, I'll show you the 5 Excel skills you need to master in 2025. Trust me, these are the game changers that will make you stand out and command top dollar as a freelance Excel expert. No. One is all about leveraging new data types like the stock data type where you can pull in real-time stock prices and the geolocation data type where you can fetch coordinates or even IP address data with a simple click. Back in the day, we were stuck with static data, and if we wanted to analyze something like stock prices, well, we had to do it manually. Now imagine having an Excel sheet that pulls in the latest stock prices automatically. Not only does this save you tons of time, but it also opens up possibilities for creating dynamic and up-to-date financial models. With the geolocation data type, you can easily integrate maps and location data into your spreadsheets, which is perfect for tasks like calculating distances or for business intelligence that involves geographical analysis. Next up is Power Query, a tool that allows you to connect to various data sources, transform your data, and load it into Excel. This is a game changer for anyone needing to work with messy data. Power Query automates what used to be tedious manual processes. It has transformed how I work with data, especially when dealing with web scraping or pulling data from multiple sources. What used to take hours now takes just minutes. At No.3, we have dynamic array formulas. These include the filter formula, sort formula, and many more. They've completely changed the way I build formulas. For instance, I can now use the filter formula to dynamically include or exclude columns based on certain criteria. This has made my dashboards more interactive and user-friendly. Plus, I can use formulas like sort to sort datasets on the fly, which is invaluable for tasks that require a lot of sorting. Moving on to Note 4, we have Office Scripts and Power Automate for automating repetitive tasks. This could be anything from sending out an email with an attachment to creating a new folder structure on your file server. Being able to automate these tasks not only saves time, but it also reduces the chance of human error. Finally, at number 5, LAMBDA Functions. These allow you to create your own custom functions in Excel similar to how you would create them in Google Sheets. You can then share these functions with your team and they can be applied across different workbooks. This has been a recent addition to Excel and it represents a significant shift towards making Excel more powerful and customizable. Now you might be thinking this all sounds great, but how do I get started? Well, let me tell you. The best place to start is by updating your skills and knowledge. Stay tuned for more updates.